Hello student, today we have started the geology paper 1. The paper title is economic ore mineral deposit. Okay. In economic ore mineral deposit there are two types of mineral deposit, metalliferous mineral and non-metalliferous mineral. Okay. First we see the metalliferous mineral. What is meant by metalliferous mineral? The metalliferous mineral means those minerals are includes both the surface and underground mining of iron ore, manganese ore, copper ore, tin, nickel, gold, silver and zinc. These are the metalliferous mineral. Okay. For the purpose of grouping type of mines, sectors, metalliferous mineral mining also includes the mining of gemstone, uranium and mineral stones. Okay. Metalliferous minerals means those minerals are presence of metals like copper, iron, manganese, chalcopyrite, hematite, magnetite. These are the metalliferous mineral. Okay. Another one is non-metalliferous mineral. Okay. Non-metallic mineral. Non-metalliferous mineral means non-metallic minerals. What is meant by non-metallic minerals? Non-metallic minerals means those minerals are absence of metallic minerals like coal, petroleum, natural gas, okay, phosphorite, sulfate, gypsum, rock salt. These are the non-metalliferous mineral. Okay, what is the difference between the metalliferous and non-metalliferous? Metalliferous means the presence of metals in a ore minerals called as metalliferous mineral, and non-metallic means the absence of metal called as non-metallic mineral. Okay. Non-metallic minerals are also those which do not yield new products on melting like iron, copper, bauxite, gold, tin, manganese and some examples. These are the metallic, and non-metallic means the absence of metal. Okay, these are the definition of metalliferous and non-metalliferous minerals. Now we will see what is meant by ore. Ore is naturally occurring rock or sediments that contains one or more valuable precious minerals called as ore minerals. Means in one rock or one body or one sediment more than multiple of minerals, valuable metals present in a body called as ore minerals, typically containing the metals that can be mined, that can we explore for the mine, from the mine, created and sold a profit. Okay, ore is extracted from the earth through the mining activity and created ore refined in the refineries. Okay, often via smelting to extract the valuable metals or minerals. This is the ore mineral. What minerals are ores? Which minerals are ore mineral? Which minerals called as ore mineral? Ores are minerals that have high concentration of certain element. For example, in chalcopyrite, the maximum proportion of copper presence in the chalcopyrite. Therefore, the chalcopyrite is one of the example of ore mineral. Then another hematite. Hematite is a higher concentration of iron. Therefore, it is called as ore mineral. Hematite is ore mineral. Then bauxite. Bauxite is aluminium containing mineral. Therefore, it is called as aluminum ore. Okay. Example are cinnabar. For example, cinnabar. Cinnabar is mercury and sulfur bearing ore. The cinnabar containing mercury and sulfate. Or ore mercury and sphalerite. For example, mineral ore sphalerite is containing zinc and sulfide and ore of zinc. Then casterite, then containing selenium and oxide, and ore of tin, also ore of tin. Okay. The ore are the minerals from which metal is conventionally and profitably extracted. There are mainly four kinds of ores like ore oxide, ore carbonate, sulfide ore and ore halides. There are four main types of ore. One is ore oxide. For example, ferrous oxide, magnesium oxide. Okay, these are the oxide minerals. Another ore carbonate, calcium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, okay, ferrous carbonate, FeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3. These are the ferrous carbonate. And sulfide ore, some of the minerals are sulfide containing zinc sulfide. Okay, these are the sulfide bearing ores, and some of the halides, rock halides, rock salt, rock halides, sodium chloride. These are the ores of halides. Okay, how ore minerals are created? How the ore minerals are formed? Deposits of minerals form when medium that contains transport mineral making ore releases and deposits the ore. When magma and lava cools, the magma and ore carried out within the crystallization of the magma form tiny minerals in newly created igneous rocks. Some of the minerals are produced of magmatic deposit, some of the minerals are produced from hydrothermal deposits, some of the ore minerals are produced from sedimentation process, some of the ore minerals are formed due to the placer, some of the residual concentration. Thorium, gold is an example of placer deposits. Okay. What is the difference between ore and mineral? We will see what is the difference between the mineral, ore and mineral. Mineral is naturally occurring in organic substance with definite chemical composition and structural composition with atomic arrangement, called as mineral. And in other hand, ore minerals means in one body or one sediment on one rock, there are number of minerals, valuable minerals present in a particular body called as ore body. Okay. Minerals are naturally occurring in organic solid with crystalline structure and definite range of chemical formula. But ores are characteristics of concentration of minerals in a rock that are high enough to be economically extracted for the purpose of use or purpose of exploration. Minerals is composed of same substance throughout. Means what is the difference between mineral and ore? Mineral is naturally occurring in organic substance with having definite atomic structure and chemical composition, but in other hand, ore minerals having highly precious metal or highly precious mineral present within the one body. There are two different ore minerals present in a rock called as ore body. Okay. Then next point, that is what is the gangue mineral and tenure of ore, and what is the industrial mineral. Also, what is the gangue mineral? What is meant by gangue mineral? Gangue mineral means gangue is the commercially worthless material that's surrounded by the particular body. Ore is closely mixed with wanted mineral in ore deposit. Tenure means unwanted material presence within the surrounding of the ore body. Unwanted material surrounded within the ore body called as gangue mineral. Then another, tenure of ore. What is meant by tenure of ore? The tenure of ore is lowest permissible metallic deposit in an ore. Any ore must contain some percentage. Suppose in hematite 60 to 65% of iron. Suppose in silomalate, manganese, 60 to 70% of manganese present in silomalate. Therefore, it is called as ore of manganese. If presence of iron, called as ore of iron. What is meant by tenure of ore? The tenure of ore in any ore must contain some percentage of metal in it. Okay. Explanation: an ore is naturally occurring solid material. Naturally occurring solid material from which metal and mineral can be extracted. Okay. These metals and minerals can get sold in the market profitably. What is meant by actual tenure of ore? Lowest permissible metallic deposit in a ore. Suppose some of the ore minerals are having lower percentage of particular metal. Suppose bauxite. Okay, bauxite and some low grade iron ore. Some low grade iron ore is example of tenure of ore. Means the if presence of less quantity of the particular metal presence in ore mineral called as tenure of ore. Okay, tenure of ore. Then what is meant by industrial mineral? What is meant by industrial mineral? The industrial mineral is nothing but the market necessary and transportation means industrial minerals. What are the example of minerals? Industrial mineral resources. Industrial mineral means suppose particular industry want some particular raw material. Suppose steel industry wanted to the iron ore. Therefore, it is called as industrial mineral. Hematite is called as industrial mineral. Then gold is industrial mineral because of the raw material extracted from the mining and used for the further process. The typical example of industrial mineral like limestone, clay, sand, gravel, okay, kaolinite, silica, barite, gypsum and tar. These are the industrial minerals. Some examples of application of industrial minerals are construction industry, ceramic industry, paint industry, electronic industry, filtration industry, plastic industry, glass industry and detergents and paper industries. Means both some of the industry are depending upon the natural material called as industrial mineral. Suppose talc is used as beauty industry, therefore it is called as industrial mineral. Then gypsum is used as fertilizer, therefore it is called as industrial mineral. Also gypsum is used as the preparation of the cement industry, therefore it is called as industrial mineral. Some of the raw material are used in the preparation of ceramics, tiles. Therefore, it is called as industrial mineral. Okay. Industrial mineral means the raw material are naturally occurring sediments or rocks are used for the preparation of the material for the industrial use or domestic use called as industrial mineral. Okay, these are the industrial mineral. Another one more concept is overburden of ore. What is meant by overburden of mineral? Overburden means in any type of mining, some of the material or some of the unwanted material presence above the ore body. Overburden also called as waste of the material. Wastage means the absence of ore presence in a absence of ore in a particular rock body, may be lower side or maybe upper side of the ore body, is the material that lies above an area that lends itself economical exploitation, such as the rock, soil and ecosystem. Maybe the presence of rock, unwanted rock, soil is also absence of ore mineral, therefore it is called as overburden. Overburden means unwanted material presence surrounding the ore body called as overburden or above the ore body. Overburden is removed during the surface mining. First of all, if any mining, the overburden will be the remove and then start the mining, but typically not contained with toxic component. Okay, these are the overburden. And another one more important concept, that is the country rock. What is meant by country rock? In geology, country rock is the rock of native an area contrast to any intrusion of viscous magma, geological material. Country rock, the whole parent rock means native rock. Suppose in Maharashtra, what is the country rock? Deccan Trap. Deccan Trap is a rock formation and basalt is a country rock. In Telangana, country rock is granite. Means native rock presents regional geographical coverage, regional geology called as country rock. Okay, country rock is rock bands playing country. The term country rock is similar to many cases interchangeable with the terms basement of wall rocks. Basement rock and wall rocks. In country rock there are two types, basement rock and wall rock. Basement rock means beneath the subsurface, and which rocks are present on the surface exposure called as wall rock. These are the basic terminology in economic ore mineral deposits. Okay.